Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted form submissions using Jotform Tables. This is incredibly useful when you've accidentally deleted important entries and need to recover them quickly. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials, enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This step is straightforward, but make sure you're using the correct account if you manage multiple workspaces. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. Here, you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Tables. This section is where all your Jotform tables are stored and organized, making it easy to manage your form data in a structured way. Now look through your list of tables to find the specific one that contains the deleted submissions you want to restore. Once you've located it, click on View Table to open it. This action will take you into the table's interface where you can see all your data and access various management tools. Next, click on the table name itself, which is displayed at the upper left of the page. This step ensures you're fully inside the table's workspace and can access all the necessary features. From here, you'll be able to manage entries, including those that have been deleted. Look for the three vertical dots icon typically found in the toolbar. Click on it to reveal a menu with additional options. From this menu, select Trashed Entries. This is where Jotform stores all deleted submissions temporarily before they're permanently removed, giving you a safety net for accidental deletions. A right panel will now appear displaying all the deleted submissions from this table. You'll see a list of entries that have been moved to trash. Here you can review each submission to ensure you're restoring the correct ones. Check the box next to each submission you want to recover. If you need to restore multiple entries at once, you can use the Select All option to make the process faster and more efficient. Finally, once you've selected all the submissions you want to restore, click the Restore button. This action will move the selected entries back into your active table, making them accessible again just as they were before deletion. And that's it. You've successfully restored your deleted form submissions in Jotform Tables. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.